you like my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. For tomato chutney, following are the ingredients. I've got onion, ginger, garlic paste, curry leaf, cinnamon stick, and I've got coriander, tomatoes chopped. I've got salt to taste, cumin seed, black mustard seed, oil, and some chilies. Now I'm going to fry tomatoes, onions, cinnamon stick, cumin seed and black mustard seed with salt in a non-stick pot, and I'm going to fry them until the tomatoes are soft, and I'm not adding water yet. I will cover the pot with the lid. I've added the chili paste and some curry leaves already inside it. You can see there's no curry masala into it. I like it plain. And I want the tomatoes to be cooked with the onions in the oil and be softened. Just like the pasta sauce. So you can see tomatoes are nicely soft because I had already covered it with the lid. It cooked faster. I will now add a little bit of water to it, and you can see that my tomato chutney is ready now. I hope you like the recipe. Please do subscribe. Thank you.